And Canada is taxed by residency. So are all of the other jurisdictions we're going to talk about. And an LLC for a Canadian, if it's here in the U.S., doesn't provide the same protections as it would if you were a U.S. citizen. It's a limited liability company. It's a pass-through entity here. You can elect as an S Corp to be taxed that way. So you're only taxed once on the profits that are generated within that organization. In Canada, they don't recognize LLCs. Most of the time when we see people establish entities here in the U.S., they tend to do a C Corp. And the reason for that is you're only going to ever be taxed at a maximum of 20% at the C Corp. Whereas if you had an LLC and you had income tax, you could be taxed up to 50%, depending on which state you had that LLC in. And then additionally, you're going to be taxed again there in Canada. Again, there's no pass-through taxation. So for most Canadians, we often see, unless they're going to move here to the U.S. to work or live their life post-price appreciation of some of these digital assets, or they're a dual citizen, or they have some property here, you're going to want to establish, an entity there in Canada in most circumstances if you plan on staying there. But for Canadians, there in Canada tends to be the best option, establishing a trust there. You have no lifetime gift tax there in Canada. So a lot of the proactive work can wait. If you are going to gift your assets out of your personal estate or your taxable estate into a trust post-price appreciation, you can also gift to your children infinitely if you are a Canadian citizen. There are some restrictions and things on that. They cap you in other ways, but you don't have the lifetime gift tax that you would here in the U.S. A lot of Canadians also set things up in the Caymans or Bermuda, and our tax attorney that we work with there, Aaron Grinhaus, is fantastic at that work. Just reach out to info@digitalfamilyoffice.io, and we're happy to get you Aaron's information so that you can work with him to make sure you're set up for success and you can partner with Digital Wealth Partners to manage your assets.